you? I hope that you are fine. Our lesson today is Unit 11 Word Study. Please open your student book, page 115, and follow me to learn antonyms. Do you remember when we study reading paragraphs, reading comprehension? We always find out synonyms. Synonyms are the words that have the same meaning. For example, small and tiny have the same meaning, or big and large. They are two words with the same meaning. Today we are going to study the words with different meanings that are antonyms. So an antonym is a word that means the opposite to another word. So now we are going to work with opposites. Let's have some examples. Big and small, they are antonyms. The antonym of full is empty. The antonym of day is night. So, can day and night come together? For sure, it's impossible to come together. They can't come together. So, they are opposites, antonyms. Now we have an exercise. Try to guess the antonym of each word. I will give you 15 seconds to do it. Start. Stop. These are the model answers. So now let's complete our lesson. Let's study the antonyms that we find in our book. Page 115. Please open the page. Remember, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. The skin's top layer is made of dead cells, so viruses can't find live cells to infect. So that is an antonym to the word live. Now, the words that we have in the book are shrink, dead, inhale, live, expand, exhale. The first word is shrink. The word is shrink. Look at this picture. This is before shrinking and this is after. So shrink is a verb, means to become smaller. So this is a smaller. The opposite or the antonym of the word shrink is the word expand. Expand. So look at this picture. It is small and bigger, bigger and bigger. So expand is a verb, means to become bigger. So you see here, it's to become smaller and here to become bigger. Shrink and expand are two antonyms. Let's move to the next words. Live. Look at this picture. This is a live plant. And look at this picture. It's a dead plant. So live is an adjective, means to be or stay alive. To be or stay alive. The antonym of the word live is the word dead, which is not alive now. Not alive. So it had died before. Now the last words are inhale and exhale. Inhale is a verb, means to take air into your body by breathing throughout your nose. You take air into your body. And exhale is the antonym of the word inhale. It's another verb which means to let air out of your body by breathing. So let air out by breathing. And here you use your mouth, not your nose. Now, you have an exercise, exercise A in your workbook, page 103. This is a homework for you, and we are going to do exercise B together. Please open your workbook to the exercise. Exercise A, this is a homework. And now let's move to exercise B. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Use the correct tense of the verbs. For sure the words in the box are the same words that we have studied. So now let's start. The nurse's office at our school. It now has 4 beds instead of 2. So they are 4 instead of 2. They were 2 before and now they are 4. So they are bigger. There are more beds than before. So for sure the word is expand, and because we are talking about past, so it's expanded, something that has done. Okay, unfortunately they had to the size of the cafeteria to do this. So the opposite of expand, what do they have to do of the size? For sure the answer is shrink without ed because it's after 2. Now number 2, the top layer of your skin is made of cells. Since they aren't living, not living. What is the meaning of not living? It's dead. And they stop viruses from getting into your body. However, when you have a cut, some of your cells are open to the air and viruses can get in. So what is the opposite of dead? For sure it's live, it's antonym. Dead cells and live cells. Now number 3, the last one. When you sneeze, you first air into your body quickly. The air, when it comes into our body, for sure it's inhale. Then even more quickly you let out of your body, and when you get the air out, so you exhale. Don't forget to do exercise A in workbook page 103. That was our lesson today. I hope that it was useful for you. Thank you for listening.